distract me from saying. He also said I couldn't hang out with Jamie. You said you didn't want me hanging out with them because they'll distract me from my work and I won't do any work.
When did I say that?
You said that the other day.
To you?
Yes. To Jamie and
Oh, I said it to Wilson?
Yeah.
That was messing with Wilson.
Anyway.
I also told Wilson that he was a Ronnie Bieber.
Anyways, I'm not going to even use it at the airport. I just want it for...
No, he already lost. Mom already said no.
I'm not even going to use it at the airport. He's just being a jerk.
Get that on camera. Call it a jerk.
Why is he letting me use it then? Buy it. What are you worried about? No, just tell me what you're worried about.
Yeah, you almost ran into somebody's face already.
I'm not going to use that at the airport.
You're not going to come into it. You're not here.
No, but just give me a reason. Give me a reason.
When? So run it, you'll break it into somebody's face.
When?
Whenever you
Are you serious?
There'll be people out
And
and put it
I
out.
bought upgrades. Basically, they were like,
Yo, why are they... What are they... No, just tell me why.
I'm done now. I'm tired of talking.
No, seriously. Why? You're not even giving me an answer. You're just saying...
I'm done now.
Because I'll fly it in someone's
My
face?
answer already left.
Alright, dude. I'm buying it.
Watch this. Now we're going to wave. Now then we go now. Now we go stop. This is my life now.
Smiling at me and saying no because you can't. That's why you're doing it. Anyway. I'm not gonna...
It's pretty good. He's not an adult. We don't have to answer him. I already gave him a solid answer. He's not going to talk about it anymore. We're done with the conversation.
I can't... But you didn't give me a reason
No,
why...
you shoot him? Okay.
Mom. There's no reason I can't get it.
Justin, it's very competitive. We want something. Looks like a girl from my Sweet 16.
You said asking this.
Yo, if you get it, now you look like a spoiled girl from my Sweet 16. Now you should walk away and give up. Now I put you in a position where if you get it, you look like a spoiled little 16-year-old girl. You want to ride into the party on a horse? You're just going to have all the girls who work at that thing we're going to show, but he's going to try and get you to buy it for him.
Alright, 1 second. Alright, my mom just came up with stuff. She said that if I get it, I have to ask you before I use it. Wait, before I use it, and if you say no, if it's a bad timing, I have to listen to it.
Patty, I'm not letting you get in there.
It's not get.
She said okay.
What? No, she just said you said okay.
No, she didn't. She said I'm not letting you in. You want to ride into the party on a horse too?
What?
That's what you look like right now. My Sweet 16.
I don't know what. He's just pride. He has pride.
No, you look like a girl from my Sweet 16.
He has pride.
You want someone to come sing at your party?
He has pride.
Okay, you go. Come on, let's go back. Okay, you win. Oh! We talked about punching. Okay, come on.
Exactly. He's being a a gypsy.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Please hurry on the gate change announcement only by 4852 in Toronto. It's now 4840 at the gate C in Charlie 1. 4852 to Toronto. It's now 4840 at the gate C in Charlie 1 is the gate change announcement only.
Take advantage of your mom.
Attention, please, all passengers traveling to Toronto, flight 4852, please be advised that the party gate will be C1 as the Charlie 1. Once again, we're traveling to Toronto, flight 4852, the party gate will be C1 as the Charlie 1.
Chile spends 5.3% of its GDP on health care, compared to 16% in the United States. In the past 5 years, Chile has taken extraordinary measures to change the way it focuses resources for health care. There are currently 56 health conditions and diseases ranked in the highest burden in the country. They include end-stage renal failure, HIV/AIDS, heart disease, and many forms of cancer. Those conditions are completely covered by insurance and treated by a set of protocols established by Chile's Ministry of Health.
No. I'm saying no, alright? I'm gonna stay with that. I'm just gonna stick with that, alright? You can't get me. Alright? Bye.
I like that concept of saying no and sticking with it. It's funny with the camera on. You're just smiling and I almost dying laughing. You said, Mom, I want you back. I want you back on the road.
I'm serious.
You were able to get your way with your mom.
No, because she actually makes sense. And not want to be. Listen to me without being rude.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Funny, dude.
It's really funny. Now she suddenly makes sense.
She's making sense here because she said, I don't have, like, you're not raising me.
So you need to
For what reason? But you said just not giving a reason. I think that
right now, next week, time if you want to get it after this weekend, you're more than welcome. Right now, because I need to make sure you're focused on
obviously not, but I'm gonna. Where else do I get it? I'm not gonna find
it's sharper edge every single time.